Hello everyone, Captain MoFO reporting from the grounds of the Clara and Henry Ford estate. The Fairlane property is now undergoing a comprehensive restoration. What a great place to conjure up the mother of all do-overs. We're definitely giving up on the overlanding type of travel. Even if nothing happened to the RV, I would still be facing an insurance dilemma. You just cannot get reasonable insurance for these rigs anymore. This type of travel is also very hazardous. Can you imagine if that tire blew out on a canyon road on a 300-foot sheer cliff? So, now that I've got everything to fit onto a carry-on bag and I can go anywhere in the world and start all over again, I've made the command decision to move over to Amsterdam and become immersed in the canal boat culture of the EU. Boy, I'll tell you, the internet is a wonderful resource, research tool. In about 4 to 6 weeks, I latched on to some good people who have done this all before and have given me some sound recommendations of things to do. Number one, we're going to go to Amsterdam. You definitely want to start out on this quest in the Netherlands. The Dutch are the gold standard for canal boat travel. If you buy a boat of Dutch registry, you can sail anywhere in the EU. They're readily insurable, and the registration is straightforward, which will be a welcome change after the insurance hassles I had with the RV. Once I get established, I'll be heading over to England for a week or two to become immersed in the Royal Yacht Club ICC accreditation process, an international certificate of competency enabling me to pilot my own canal boat anywhere in the EU. And that'll give me plenty of flexibility. I'm still planning on wintering in the south of France. Boy, that's just beautiful climate. They've got some natural sanctuaries there. The flight path of the migratory birds in Europe go through the Caramouche, and we'll see what we can conjure up. Right now, I'm waiting for my insurance claim to be settled. I'm ready to go, and I just need the payout, and I'm on the next flight to Amsterdam. I'm very, very excited. The biggest part of being able to downsize into a carry-on bag, divesting myself of my fabrication shop and all the materials, was a major, major step in my ability to get into a carry-on bag. A special thanks goes out to Edison Motors and their R&D operation, DeBoss Garage. I've been following Edison Motors now for a while, and in a few short years, Chase Barber and his partner, Eric Little, have been able to take their operation from building the first prototype in the backyard and a tent floor made of dirt to breaking ground on their new facility in Golden, British Columbia. Another key part to their corporate ethos over at Edison is their sense of community and the dignity of the workplace. This new property they bought over in Golden is somewhere around 400 acres. They're going to have a test track. A river runs through it. They're going to have corporate housing done in very similar to what Henry Ford has done here. You have a modeled village, a model town that is totally self-contained with everything you need. So they're going to have residential areas, common community areas, and then work areas. It's Really cool. It's a facility basically right next to Glacier National Park. You have to go look at their video to really appreciate it. The best part of my visit today was seeing this site under renovation. The renovation of the Fairlane estate is comprehensive and covers both this power plant and garage area. And you can see they're getting down to the foundation work. But the coolest part of this whole thing, in my opinion, is this handrail that goes down to the powerhouse basement. The power plant was built by Henry and his good friend Thomas Alva Edison, who came out to help him with the project. So I'm thinking the hundreds of times their hands touched this old handrail is kind of incredible. Well, that's a wrap for now. Hopefully we'll do some additional pieces while I'm down here in Dearborn waiting for my insurance check.